Yeah, good morning, children. Today we are going to practice do problems on perimeter of rectangle. Okay, and how to find the perimeters of rectangle by using formula, and how we can apply this formula in our daily life also. Let me explain first one problem here. Look here, I'll read this. All of you see that page number 208. Shabana wants to put a lace border all around the rectangular table cover 3 meters long and 2 meters wide. Find the length of the lace required by Shabana. Is it clear? Shabana. Is it clear? See here, one table is given, table cover. What is this table cover? Length is 3 meters length and 2 meters width. Okay, this is actually you have to draw a table like this. Okay, this is the table. Okay, this is the cover. This cover has to cover. This is the cover. For that cover, Shabana has to keep some label. Okay, what she has given here clearly, border, lace border. Means this is the cover now. Border, lace border means where we have to only around this object only na. Whenever we are making around, that comes under the perimeter na. So how can we write given length of the table cover 3 meters and breadth of the table cover B is equal to 2 meters. Am I right, children? Now lace border required. Lace is required lace is equal to perimeter of cover. This cover is in the shape of rectangle, why? Because length and breadth are given. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B meters. Here you can write units. That implies 2 into 3 plus 2. That implies 2 into 5. That implies 10 meters. What is that? 10 meters of lace is required to make border for this table cover. Clear, children? See, you have to understand the question properly. Shabana, what she is going to do? Shabana here, she want to label this cover, table cover. Around it's all border. Whenever the word border comes, definitely it is a perimeter. It comes under the perimeter. Therefore, table is in the shape of rectangle. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, 2 into this. Therefore, total 10 meters of length of lace is required to border this table cover. Is it clear? Labeled to this cover. Clear, children? Now, write this. I'll give you 1 minute time. Write it. Okay, children. Now one more problem. One more question. Here, this is the question. Example 2, page number 209. Example 2, page number 209. I'll read the question first. Look here, listen me carefully, all of you. An athlete takes 10 rounds of rectangular park, 50 meters long and 25 meters wide. Find the total distance covered by him. Oh my God! Every day nowadays in cities, every day they are making early morning. They are doing walking. Some walking tracks are like that. Here also, here is an athlete. One athlete is given here. He takes 10 rounds of rectangular park. What is the rectangular park is given here? Rectangular park like this. This is the rectangular park. Am I right? How much length this rectangular park? 50 meters. And how much breadth rectangular park? 10 meters. Okay. An athlete makes 10 rounds. An athlete makes how many rounds here? 10 rounds he made it. So how much distance does he travel? Does he run or ran something? Okay. Now, what is the see? Round means athlete has started here. Here he has started running from start and like this, and again he come back again here. So one round means one perimeter. One round means it completely comes under perimeter. So like that, athlete made how many rounds? 10 rounds. So first of all, find perimeter of this park. Given length of the park, L is equal to 50 meters. Breadth of the park, B is equal to 10 meters. Am I right? B is equal to, yes sir, 25 meters. This is 25. This is 25 meters. Therefore, distance traveled in one round is equal to perimeter of the park. Perimeter of the park. Am I right? Now, perimeter of the park formula 2 into L plus B. That applies 2 into 50 plus 25. That implies 2 into 75 meters. That implies 150 meters distance he traveled in one round. But distance traveled by an athlete. Athlete made how many runs? Athlete made 10 rounds. Therefore, distance traveled by an athlete is equal to, okay children, one round is equal to 150 meters. Like the 10 rounds, that implies 1500 meters distance. How much distance does athlete travel? 1500 meters. Why? Because for one round 150 meters, like that he made 10 rounds, that is why 1500 meters. Okay children? Now write this all of you. Right, children? Next question. I think have you finished all of you? Next. Next question. Example 3. Example 3. Page number 209. Okay, I'll read the question. See here. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose length and breadth are 150 centimeters and 1 meter respectively. Wow. See children here. (150 centimeter) and 1 meter. My God. Look here. Why it is given like this? There is a small twist here. What is that? Given length of the rectangle. Length of the L is equal to 150 centimeters. Breadth of the rectangle B is equal to 1 meter. Look here, for example, by using formula 2 into L plus B, 2 into 150 plus 1, 2 into 151, 302. But it's wrong. Here, why it is wrong? It is given, length is given here in centimeters, but breadth is given in meters. Whenever finding perimeter or area or something else, all the measurements should be in same units. All the measurements should be in same units. One should be meters and one should not be in centimeters. Both either in meters or either in centimeters. So this is centimeters. Now we can convert. 1 meter is equal to how much? 100 centimeters. Now find the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. Formula 2 into L plus B units. That is plus 2 into 150 plus 100 centimeters. That implies 2 into 250. That implies 500 centimeters. 500 centimeters is nothing but 5 meters. Therefore, length of the park is here 5 meters. Clear, children? Here, what I did here, just I converted this 1 meter into 1 centimeter. 1 meter into centimeters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Why? Because length is given in centimeters. That is why we should convert this breadth also in centimeters. Clear? Now write this all of you. Okay, children, shall I write this? That's good. Now I am going to explain very important problem. That is example 5, page number 210. Example 5, page number 210. Okay, now let me read the question first. Children, listen me and see your textbooks also. Find the cost of fencing of a rectangular park of length 250 meters and breadth 175 meters at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. Here, I did not stop the question. He extended up to, we have to find the cost of the fencing also. We have to find the cost of fencing. For example, nowadays in our garden, we have to make one fencing with iron wire or something. Okay, we have to buy that wire. Without money we cannot do anything. That is why here one farmer find the cost of fencing of a rectangular park of length 250 meters and breadth 175 meters at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. Okay, now given what is this rectangular park? This is what is the length of this rectangular park? 250 meters. What is the breadth of the rectangular park? 175 meters. Okay, now we need to find the cost of the fencing. Fencing means, it doesn't mean that it comes under always, it comes under perimeter only. So first let us find the perimeter of this rectangular park. Okay. Now, what is given? Given length of the park. Length of the park L is equal to 250 meters and breadth of the park (175 meters). Therefore, perimeter of the park, formula, it's a rectangle, na? What is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B units. That applies 2 into 250 plus 175. That applies 2 into 5 to 4. That applies 0, 5, 850 meters. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 850 meters. Okay, but we need to find the cost of the fencing now. Now, given rate of the fencing, rate of the fencing is rupees 12 per meter. Am I right? Therefore, total cost of fencing is equal to 850 perimeters into 12 rupees. Now 0, 12 5 are 66, 12 8 are how much? 96, 96 plus 100. Therefore, how much amount? 10,000. How much rupees? Therefore, rupees 10,200 rupees. The total cost of this rectangular park is rupees. How much amount we have to afford? 10,200 rupees we have to afford to make this fencing. Fencing means like around or inside border something with maybe iron or it may be wall or something else. Clear children? Now write this solution. Okay.